Behold, this is the brand new elevator at the Plaza building here in Salisbury, Maryland. And it was installed last year, and it's a Delaware elevator. It goes to the floors 2 and 4. Here we go. See? And here comes. Oh, it has a rear door. There's a rear door too. Let's go up to 4. And 3. And here we are at 4. Yep, opens this way. Oh, look at that view. I sure even like it. I can see the garage where I used to film the elevator at. And there's the old Cannon building. I sure like this view, yes. But I have no idea that they had another elevator like this. I mean, it wasn't even modernized, it was just installed. Anyways, let's go back down. Different colored lanterns. My critique. We're gonna do a camp view first. I can even like this camp so much already. I mean, it's kind of small, you know? Your certificate is oh, see, there's a certificate over there. And here's your emergency phone button, and the capacity is 2,100 pounds. Let's go down to 2. 3. And here we are at 2. I sure love these lanterns so much. Let's go watch the close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.